Hello everyone. Here on the channel we see a simple social media poster edit. Let's go. Open Photoshop, click Ctrl N for a new canvas and select the size for 2000, height and width and resolution for 72. Go to adjustment layer to change this canvas color to a mild black and click OK. Click Ctrl O to open the image to be need to edit for a social media poster design and open into a canvas like this by dragging. As I said before in my tutorials, click Ctrl to modify the size of the image which you had opened to edit. I made little changes of the size and click Ctrl A to align it to place it in the center of the canvas. Click Ctrl D for the selection layer to disappear. I'll give the description for this PNG of tape images. You can download using that link. Open that tape images PNG in Photoshop by clicking right click over there. Now I'm going to change the color of my canvas to yellow. Drag the tape PNG to my canvas. Place it over like this. Bring to the top layer, click Ctrl D to modify the size of the tape. I'm choosing another tape PNG which was downloaded using the same link and drag it like this and bring to the canvas page which we are editing currently. Click Ctrl T to modify the size. I'm making it a little smaller and place it over here to look like an image paste over a chart using the tape. Click Ctrl J to copy the layer. Go to filter and go to noise. Click add noise so that you get an add noise effect which you seen here. I prefer this amount to little bit smaller to look mild noise. Click OK. To erase tool, click E to get that tool and erase it on the image where you don't need the noise effect. I'm erasing it over here, little bit milder. Ctrl U over the erased image and make the saturation plus 29 and increase the saturation to the amount what you need. I prefer plus 1840 and click OK. Go add a new layer and click the brush tool. Go to the brush tool and select the brush shape which you need. I choose cross and play where you need to make a social media poster look. I make few placing over here. I'm just making angle changes. If you don't need the previous effect, click Ctrl Z so that the effect may be disappear. Add a new layer again for the new brush tool to appear. Select the color which you need. I select yellow here and place it for brush tool. I'm going to add drop shadow so that brush which I applied might appear clearly. I'm choosing another brush to place here to make a social media poster. I'm choosing the dotted 1895 tool in the brush. Add a new layer again. So a separate layer you can apply the brush tool and change the color if you need. I'm choosing to white and clicking OK. As I said before, if you don't need that effect, if you want to delete it, click Ctrl Z so that the effect will go and you can choose another color and again place it if you made changes. I'm going to add a little text of Neverends, my channel name. I'm choosing the font the Cobalt Bold. Click Ctrl to modify the size. Press Ctrl and click over the edge and to move or to align a side a little prescriptive. Click Ctrl and adjust the prescriptive size. Click Ctrl T to modify the size again. If you want to change the angle, click Ctrl and move that by clicking Ctrl T. Go to brush tool again. I'm choosing another brush which I'm going to apply by selecting a new layer. I give it a new layer 7. I'm choosing another brush tool 12772. I'll give you the brush tool in the description. You can download the brush in the description below. I'm applying the brush effect on the top of the page here. It's perfect. Little big. I'm choosing the same brush. I'm going to place it over here bottom, the corner right side. I'm selecting another brush tool 122. I'm choosing that brush and placing it over here like this on my page, making a little bit smaller. That's it, I have got it, my image. I go want to drop a shadow from a layer 1 which I chose, so it might appear a 3D effect, or that might images coming forward like that effect you might get. So I apply drop shadow for the layer 1, and we made that social media look poster. Thank you.